Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we have two boats. Or no, so to determine how far a boat is from shore, two radar stations, sorry, not two boats, are 500 feet apart. So let's go ahead, let's throw that 500 down at the bottom. So A to B is going to be 500. We also have two angles of this triangle. So let's figure out what this third angle is. We know all three angles have to equal 180. So we could do 180 minus what's given, the 85 and the 60. So 180 minus our 85 and minus our 60 gives us 35. So let's throw a 35 in there. Okay, perfect. Okay, now to find our distances, we don't have a right triangle, so I can't use anything like Pythagorean theorem, or I can't use SOHCAHTOA, but I can use law of sines and law of cosines. So I'm going to use law of sines, and so I could say sine of 35 is over 500 is equal to, and then I could do sine of 60, and that's across from side B, all right, is equal to sine of 85, and let's call this little side A. All right, and so now I could just use a proportion to solve. So if I look at this one here, all right, I can cross multiply. So this would be sine of 35 is equal to 500 times sine of 60. Oh, I forgot the b, so it'd be sine 35 times b. All right, and then to solve this, I could divide by sine 35. So I'd say I have 500 sine 60 over sine 35. Okay, I am measuring in degrees, so it'll be important if you're following along that your calculator is in degree mode. And so I'll have 500 times sine of 60, and I want to divide that by sine 35, and that gives me 754.93. All right, and so that's my B. Let me come over here now. Let me erase that and put that value in. So that's 754.93. Now it says nearest whole foot, so let's make that 755. All right, and so now let's find our other value. I'm going to rewrite my first one, sine 35 over 500. Okay, let's kind of work through that again. So again, I'm going to do sine 35 times A is equal to, and then I'll have sine 85 times 500. And just like the last problem, we want to divide by sine 35. And that's going to give me what A is equal to. All right, so let's do that now. So we're going to do sine 85 times 500. And we'll divide that by sine 35. And that will give me 868.41. All right, let's go. We can put that in. It does say, again, nearest foot. And so that would be 868.